Imagine discovering that one simple phrase, just a few carefully chosen words, could make her pulse quicken and stay in her thoughts for years. If that were true, would you still rely on ordinary compliments like, "You look gorgeous," or "That's a beautiful outfit"? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Before we get started, I'd like to ask for a quick favor. If these videos help you gain a deeper understanding of female psychology and attraction, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It only takes a moment, but it helps this content reach more men who can benefit from it. And before we continue, I have a question for you. Which city are you watching from today? I genuinely enjoy reading through the comments and seeing where people are tuning in from. It creates a stronger sense of community and connection among everyone here. One thing most men never fully realize is how much influence their words can have. Many believe attraction is mainly determined by looks, wealth, social standing, or external success. While those things may play a role, they are far from the complete picture. The real difference often comes down to something much simpler: how you make a woman feel when she's around you. And this brings us to an important point. One of the most overlooked tools available to any man is the ability to give a meaningful compliment. Take a moment to think about it. Have you ever witnessed a woman's entire mood shift because of something someone said to her? A few words, delivered sincerely and at the right moment, can completely change how she sees you, not just for a few minutes, but sometimes for years afterward. Today, you're about to learn 8 compliments that reach far beyond surface-level flattery. These are not generic lines or empty praise designed to impress. They carry emotional depth and psychological weight. They can make a woman feel genuinely noticed, appreciated, and understood in a way that many rarely experience. And here's the reality most men never hear. If you're constantly handing out predictable compliments like, "You look amazing," "You're beautiful," or "Nice dress," you blend into the background. You become another voice saying the same thing everyone else says. But when you understand the power of intention, emotional awareness, and thoughtful communication, something changes. You begin to realize that true influence isn't just about the words themselves. It's about the feeling those words create. So if you want to stand apart from the crowd, increase your presence, and leave a memorable impression, pay close attention. Compliment number 1. That fragrance you're wearing is incredible. It's unforgettable. Scent is deeply connected to memory and emotion. A particular fragrance can instantly bring back a moment from years ago because our sense of smell is directly linked to the emotional centers of the brain. When you compliment her scent, you're communicating something more meaningful than, "You smell nice." What you're really saying is, "Your presence stays with me even after you've left." That's a powerful message. Most men overlook details like this entirely. The man who notices demonstrates awareness, attentiveness, and genuine presence. Compliment number 2. Your smile has a way of brightening everything around you. This goes far beyond physical appearance. You're not simply talking about her smile itself. You're recognizing the effect it has on people. What you're really saying is, when you smile, the energy around you changes. That's a compliment aimed at her emotional impact rather than her physical features, which makes it much more meaningful. Compliment number 3. I really admire how authentic you are. You never seem to pretend to be someone else. In a world where many people constantly seek approval and validation, authenticity is incredibly attractive. This compliment doesn't focus on appearance at all. Instead, it acknowledges her character and individuality. You're essentially telling her, "I appreciate the real person behind everything else." And that kind of recognition is rare. Compliment number 4. I enjoy hearing your perspective. You see things in a way that makes me think differently. This is where you begin connecting with her mind rather than her appearance. By complimenting her perspective, you're showing respect for her intelligence and depth. You're communicating that her thoughts matter to you, and that creates a much stronger emotional connection than simple physical praise ever could. Compliment number 5. Your energy is contagious. Being around you motivates me. Few compliments carry as much emotional weight as this one. You're not simply saying you enjoy her company. You're telling her that her presence inspires positive change in you. That's a form of admiration that reaches far beyond attraction. It shows appreciation for who she is and the influence she has on the people around her. Compliment number 6. You're incredibly thoughtful. It's obvious that you genuinely care about people. Many individuals spend years hoping someone will recognize their kindness and consideration. This compliment highlights qualities that often go unnoticed. Instead of focusing on beauty or appearance, you're acknowledging her compassion, empathy, and character. Because it speaks to who she is at her core, it tends to have a lasting effect. Compliment number 7. I admire your determination. The way you stay focused on your goals is inspiring. This compliment recognizes effort, discipline, and purpose. You're acknowledging something she has worked hard to develop, rather than something she was simply born with. People often value compliments about their identity and achievements far more than compliments about their appearance. When you recognize someone's dedication, you're validating an important part of who they are. Compliment number 8. You have a unique ability to make people feel comfortable and appreciated. This speaks directly to emotional intelligence. You're recognizing her ability to connect with others and make them feel valued. In many ways, this is one of the most meaningful compliments a person can receive because it highlights the positive effect they have on everyone around them. You're telling her that her presence matters and that people genuinely feel better because she's there. And there you have it. 8 powerful compliments that go far beyond ordinary flattery. These aren't merely words. They're opportunities to create genuine connection, mutual respect, and deeper attraction. Because at the end of the day, a woman may not remember every sentence you spoke, every story you told, or every detail of a conversation, but she will always remember how you made her feel.